Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 29. I am continuing it, so this is part 2. Here we go. I'm on page 616 and I'm going to do number 3 with you guys. It says Miss Tam has 3 containers to use in an experiment. The first container has 600 milliliters of water. The second has 2 liters. And the third has 1.5 liters. How many milliliters, so they want our answer to be in milliliters, of water does Miss Tam have in all? So in all means I need to add them all up and I need to show my work. And they tell us that 1,000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. So do I need to convert this one of 600 milliliters? No, I don't. It's already in milliliters. If I know that 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliters, how many milliliters is 2 liters? Okay, I'm going to multiply diagonally. 1,000 times 2 will give me 2,000 milliliters. Okay, so instead of 2 liters, I have 2,000 milliliters. And then the same with 1.5. If I know 1 liter is equal to 1,000, how many milliliters is 1.5 liters equivalent to? Okay, so I'm going to multiply by 1,000 diagonally. Okay, 1 times 1,000 is 1,000 again, but what's half of 1,000? Half of 1,000 is 500, so it's going to be 1,500 milliliters. 1,500 milliliters. And since it's asking how many do I have in all, I need to add them all up. So I have 2,000, I have 1,500, and I have 600. Add them up. 11, regroup the 1 to the thousands, 2, 3, 4. So in all, she has 4,100 milliliters. Okay, and then number 5. Rob has 6 quarts of apple cider for the fall fair. He pours all the cider into glasses to set on picnic tables. He pours 6 fluid ounces of cider into each glass. How many glasses of cider does Rob set on the tables? Show your work. So they gave us, we're going to have to do 2 conversions with this one. So I know that there's 4 cups in 1 quart, and I know that there's 8 ounces in 1 cup. Okay, so I need to get my answer in. We're gonna say how many glasses, but I know that he put 6 ounces in each glass. Okay, so I need to figure out how many ounces 6 quarts is. Okay, so if I know 1 quart is equivalent to 4 cups, how many cups is 6 quarts? Okay, I'm going to multiply diagonally. 4 times 6 is 24, so that's 24 cups. Okay, I'm not done though. I need to figure out how many cups or how many ounces are in a cup now. Okay, so if 1 cup is equivalent to 8 ounces, how many ounces are in 24 cups? Because that's what we finished with. 24 cups, which is also the same as 6 quarts. Okay, so I'm going to multiply diagonally. 24 times 8. So I'm going to do 20 plus 4. Do my area method. 8 times 20. I'm going to cover up my 0. I know 8 times 2 is 16. Add a 0. And 8 times 4 is 32. 160 plus 32, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. So I have 192 ounces. Okay, so I need to figure out how many, that's how many ounces I have total. Okay, I'm going to pour 6 ounces into each glass. Okay, so I need to divide this 192 ounces into 6. Because that's how much goes into each cup. Okay, so I'm going to do 6 into 192 Okay, I need to ask myself, how many times can 6 go into 1? It can't. How about 6 into 19? I know 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to do 30. 6 times 3 is 18. Add a 0, 180. And I get 12. Okay, and I also know 6 can go into 12 2 times evenly. 6 times 2 is 12. I subtract, and I don't have any remainder, so I know I'm done. I need to add up my partial quotients, and I get 32. So how many glasses of cider? 32 glasses. That's how many he filled up. Lots of steps in that one, so you have to make sure you're going through all the proper steps, guys. Okay. What's another one we could do? Ooh. It says a large truck that moves cars can carry a maximum load of 5,720 pounds. The table below shows the weight of each kind of car that could be loaded onto the truck. Okay, so a compact car can carry 1.5 tons. I'm going to do a capital T. A mid-size car is 2 1/4 or 2 1/4 tons, and then a full-size car is 3 tons. So it says, tell whether each truck is able to carry each load of cars below. So, a maximum. So a large truck can carry this much in pounds, okay? So it says, and we also know 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. I'm probably going to need my whiteboard for this to show you guys some more work. So let me get that ready. Okay, so if 2 full-size cars, okay, so 2 full-size cars, that's 3 plus 3. So that gives me 6 tons plus 1 compact car, and that's 1.5. 1.5, so I know that that's 7.5 tons. Okay, I need to put this into pounds. Okay, so if I know right here 1 ton is equal to 2,000. So if 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds, how many pounds is 7.5 tons? So I'm going to multiply diagonally. Okay, I'm just going to do 2,000 times, where's my little eraser? I know if I cover my zeros, 2 times 7 is 14. I'm going to add my 3 zeros. Okay, I also need to multiply by this half, this 0.5. So I need to ask myself, what's half of 2,000? That's 1,000. So I'm going to add another 1,000 to my 14,000. And I know that 7.5 tons is equivalent to 15,000 pounds. Okay, and how much can a maximum load? 15,720. So that is, yes, that will work. Okay. Second one, we have 2 compact cars. So that's 1.5 plus 1.5. 1 and 1 makes 2. Another 2 halves makes 3. So I have 3 tons. And then I also have 2 full-size cars. So 3 plus 3 is 6 tons. 3 plus 6 is 9 tons total. Okay, if I know 1 ton is equivalent to 2,000 pounds, how many pounds is 9 tons? Okay, multiply diagonally. I know 2 times 9 is 18. Add my 3 zeros. So 9 tons is equivalent to 18,000 pounds. And that would be too heavy, so that's a no. Okay, next one. 2 mid-size cars. Mid-size, 2 1/4. So I know 2 1/4 plus 2 1/4. Okay, my whole numbers, 2 plus 2 makes 4. And then since my denominators are the same, I can just add my numerators. 1 plus 1 is 2/4. Another way of saying 2/4 would be 4.5. Okay, so I have 4.5 or 4.5 tons. And I also have 2 compact cars. So 1.5 plus 1.5 gives me 3 tons. So total I have 7.5 tons. And that's exactly what I did for the first one, so I already know that that is true. Okay, and then the last one, 4 mid-size cars. Okay, 4 mid-size. So I know 2 1/4. Let's just multiply it by 4. Okay, so I multiply my whole numbers. 2 times 4 is 8. And then I multiply 4 times my numerator of 1. That will give me 4/4. And the same thing as 4/4 is a big, giant 1. So 8 plus 1 gives me 9 tons. I already know 9 tons is too much because that's what I did for the second one. So that is a no. Alrighty, this is going to conclude part 2.